This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Set a pot on the stove with the basket inside and add 1 to 2 cups of water so it sits below the basket. Turn the burner to medium-high and cover. You want steady steam, not a rolling boil. Once the pot begins to emit steam, arrange food in a single layer in the basket so heat circulates evenly. Make sure lids are secure and a timer is ready. This prevents overcooking and ensures consistent texture. Once steaming steadily, set timing according to food. Vegetables will need between 4 and 10 minutes, delicate fish around 6 to 12 minutes. You monitor without lifting the lid. Opening vents heat and adds time. If items are uneven, rotate or give the basket a gentle shake at the midpoint so steam reaches all surfaces. Make sure steam is consistent. Adjust heat down slightly if it's spluttering or up if steam is weak. Trust the timer, but check done. When time's up, lift the lid away from you, then remove the basket using tongs or an oven mitt so you don't burn fingers. Let food rest for a minute so carryover steam evens texture, then season and serve. If you find food soggy, reduce steam time next cook and use a single layer. If it's undercooked, return to steam for 1 to 2 more minutes. If water runs dry, turn off heat and refill carefully to avoid splashes. That's your core troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.